Alright, waking up on first day of Friday. I'm tired as shit. You can kind of already see how the crowd's starting to look. Oh, and Sean's back. Just go. Get up! Come on! I'm gonna pull you by the hair. I'm gonna let the world know what kind of person you really are. We're gonna go pick up our registration passes and we're gonna see how this goes. Is that Shark Boy? Man, Shark Boy. Right. Shark Boy in love with you? Your mom's a shark.
Your dad's a shark.
You're a shark. Shut up. Here we are, bitches. Hell yeah. This is fucking awesome. Dude, wait, hold on. Where would the registration be? Jesus Christ, finally, the registration line, we found it. Holy fuck.
Are you Amelia?
Nice.
Thank you.
Got it. Horse Man Sam, it's official. It's Nixie's.
Look at me! I can't see.
Hey, dude. It's shot. Oh, it's Levi. Alright. Hello, Levi.
The hunger is setting in.
Officer Diva, dude, this is awesome. I love Diva. I'm sorry. I just like.
Just let me put this down.
Yeah. Hey Naruto. Fuck yes. That's fucking awesome. Are you gonna become the next Hokage? Yeah. Who? Would you rather sacrifice Hinata or ramen? Ramen? Yeah. All right. So me and Mitchell decided to come back because I forgot my gloves for my Kirito stuff, but we also decided to make a lovely sign. Oh, hello friends.
Hey, so yeah, the fire alarm went off in the Hyatt and we all had to evacuate.
Are you
Really?
Yeah, no, for real.
These anime weeaboos are getting too rowdy. Get them out of here.
The nerds are taking over. Damn.
Are you taking a video of her video?
Well, since I wasn't there, I gotta record something, you know? Damn.
Yeah,
What the fuck?
for real.
It's getting ready to back up and get back to the convention. Oh, the action, my dude. Dude, we're fucking trash. Fuck yeah. Dude, give me a high five. We're fucking trash, my dude.
love you.
I love you too. Wait. Hey. So can you guys do like the hand signs? Can you guys do hand signs? Who can do the better hand signs? How about that? She's got the better hand signs? Okay. Do it, that's fair. No, that's a hand sign. It's probably more than I can do. The 1,000 years of dude, that's awesome. That's awesome. These are sick. So this place is finally packed and the vendors are actually open. Mitchell, let's go shopping for some shit, my dude. Are these supposed to be bookmarks? These are bookmarks. Dude, bookmarks are lit.
$4. They're only $4.
They're for it.
Oh,
I don't want to stain it. I don't want to stain it with my film.
I think I have.
All right, what's your name?
Amy.
Where can they find you?
Well, actually, I'll show you my business card right here.
All right, I'll trade you. And has the biggest hat I've ever seen. Alright, so time skip, fast forward, we're now in the line for free ramen. And it is quite the line. But as you can tell, it's already packed as all hell. So, let's see what we get when we get up there. Hopefully there's still some good shit left. So, we went back to the hotel room. I changed out of Kirito because we're running and some issues. So I'm just in some type of clothing. This is the kind of things you find at Anime Midwest. A red stormtrooper with a beatbox. Okay, so major time skip. We're talking like 4 hours in time of a time skip because I just forgot to film.
I haven't filmed anything since the main topic.
Yeah, it's
Lit, by the way.
Was it?
Yeah.
Should I go?
We had two. Yeah, it was really fun. We had two butlers. Their names were Jean-Pierre
Ooh.
and Haku.
Sexy.
They were really good, and we played like this card story game where like you had like 3 random cards with like objects on them,
Right.
and you had to like go one by one and play a card and like build a story. And so we played that twice, and then we played Pictionary, and then we played Hangman, and then we played Heads Up.
Lit.
The card game.
Lit,
And we
dude.
had cake. It was bomb.
Dude, that's awesome. Like, I should probably, like, I definitely need to get like better with like my filming, but I've just been doing so much that I just like A, my phone's been dying, and B, just like I forget to take it out. So this is my bad. We're at her channel. People are making Ash Ketchum with the what sword? Master sword.
Zelda, bro.
Well, like I'm not into like Legend of Zelda.
Me either.
Oh, okay, then we're fine.
The Wild version.
That is true.
That's popular. I mean, Ash Ketchum was not that yet.
Oh.
Because like last time in Harvest Moon, was like just another like popular thing that people know.
Ash Ketchum.
So yeah, Ash Ketchum.
That's lit.
Kind of.
It's lit. Yeah. Well, while she's doing that, I'm their DJ. I'm just rocking out on my little piece of shit. But like, I think I'll probably end up filming like some more tonight, but we'll see.
The night is still young. It's only like what, 12:30?
Yep.
12:30, Mitchell. I think we got time. I think we can still go do things, have fun, make friends,
Get crunk.
and we're going to a fucking rave after this. And we're gonna time skip to the rave after time skipping through a fucking panel because my phone's dying. All right.
I think this is a solid point for me to turn it in after a pretty successful day one. Pictures to come, maybe. I didn't get a whole lot of pictures just because my phone kept dying and shit. You can go check out my Instagram because there will be more pictures. And we're waiting on Mr. Depp back from the fucking bathroom.